Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Mazda 2012 and I accidentally pressed the Fahrenheit, change it to Celsius, and in United States not too many people, including me, using Celsius. so it took me a while to figure it out, and here it is. So all you have to do is just press on this guy, about 4 or 5 seconds for it to change. There you go, and press it. So it changed back to Fahrenheit. And if you want to change back to Celsius, just do the reverse. There you go. All right, and it's fixed. Guys, if this video helped you in any way, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day. See you later next time.